Attention please. This uploading is only for educational purpose. No intention to infringe copyrights. Learning English with subtitles. GPITRAL. Follow us.
Mark, I don't want to panic here. Okay, we're 25 minutes into this makeover and we've only got one wall done. It's not like you, Mark, to be this slow.
I don't usually have this paper to put up.
Is there anything I can do to help you?
Not at the moment, Derek.
Okay, so what we're doing here, we just simply get a straight line. As Mark's doing here, get a scalpel or a Stanley knife. Okay, always cut away from you. Okay, if you're cutting that away, you have the tendency to fall off and cut your hand. So like Mark's doing, always cut away. As you can see, you've got a perfect splice all the way around.
Okay, is this going up all right, Mona?
It's going up okay, but it's not sticking too well.
Mona.
Okie doke. Straight through here to my guys working down here. Now the back wall's done. We just need just one more piece in that corner. Then we can start dressing this room. Very, very simple today. This whole design is going to be based on the accessories we put in here. So we're going to keep the carpet. Virtually impossible to do 4 rooms of carpet and lino in 60 minutes. Okay. So today, what we're going to do is going to put a huge rug on the majority of the carpet. It'll be fine. There'll be a slight pink around the edge. It'll work with the design. Okay, we've just got to get the last coat of paint on here. Paint we're using is a Dulux paint, 1 coat, whacked on the wall, over and done with. 15-20 minutes to do a complete room. What we're doing in this area here, we're pre-fixing the curtain poles. Now this rail is going to run horizontally from the top all the way along to this section here. Then we've got the second curtain pole that's going to run all the way down here. So essentially we're covering 2 walls with fabric. How long is that going to take?
About another 2 or 3 minutes.
Excellent. And then we'll get the poles straight up. Now I'm going to show you the curtains downstairs when I find them. Okay guys, nearly finished in here. Right, next stage, Mona, that has to be finished. Okay, in this first half. Next stage, get all these blankets out, start tidying up, start getting this whole place cleaned up. Okay. Now, I don't think this should be here. Why is this up? I think we can take this manky old thing down. Okay. Go on, someone to pull this down. Okay. That can just go out the door. Just sweet. Okay. Just get a screwdriver, take these bits off here. It's all nice and clean and tidy.
Okay, team, we've got 1 minute left now. 1 minute.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, absolutely.
I've got the same.
Yeah.
Doing all right?
It looks fantastic. I think we're, everyone's done really well. Oh, be careful of the carpet.
Yes, we better.
Okay.
Frank, we need some Terps. Okay, it's not for Claire to drink, it's to clean the carpet.
Excuse me, what? 20 seconds, everyone.
Size.
10 seconds, everyone. 10 seconds.
Get that out here.
Okay,
Paint
that's
all
5,
finished.
4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, team, tools down. After 30 minutes, the drive-in dining room already looks like it's straight out of Happy Days. And the kitchen's classic 50s in baby pink. Upstairs, the main bedroom's looking more like a padded cell than a 70s suite. And the guest bedroom needs a lot of work to make it into an elvish shrine. I like it over here, Derek.
Let's calm and relax over here. you want the chat?
Looking absolutely fabulous.
Well,
so, are you happy?
I'm quite calm today, aren't I? It's very good.
I know, but you know what? Psychologically, this just feels like one room as well. So it feels like we're only doing 3 rooms, doesn't it?
It does, because normally we're up and down different rooms.
Yeah.
Here, it seems a lot easier, but it is actually 4 rooms.
Yes.
That is a completely different room. The only difference is there's not a wall there.
Yeah. No, it looks great. I mean, the colour scheme, it's a very brave colour scheme, but it is quite striking.
The thing is, how this scheme's going to work, Claire, is when we start getting the accessories in.
Yeah.
We've got the amazing fridge to go in that corner,
Yeah.
the dining table to dress, the pictures on the wall. This is just the base coat
Yeah.
to dress the room.
I mean, it's an acquired taste, but I think it's so appropriate.
You could live with this, couldn't you?
I could live with it. It's quite camp.
Just time for Derek to inspire his Elvis workforce.
Right, who's working on the bedroom one? Okay, Mark, we're a little bit behind.
I'm all shook up, Derek.
You're all shook up. Okay. Well, you're going to have foot up your backside if it's not finished, okay? Right, you've got 10 minutes to get that wallpaper on the wall. Because Uncle Frank here, okay, Elvis Presley look-alike, has got to put the carpet down. Next job is to dress the rooms. Now, this whole job is going to be pulled together with the dressing. You've got 20 minutes at the end to dress it. More importantly, who's doing the worktops? Another Elvis there. How long for the worktops?
5 minutes. We're going to be out there.
5 minutes, okay. I'm sure you said 25 minutes before. We'll say 5 minutes this time. Okay. Elvis Presley poses ready? Okay.
Okay, team, that's tea break over. Okay, team, in you go.
Come on, guys.
The team have got just 30 minutes left now. The colour has already gone up on the walls, the flooring looks fantastic, and this makeover is looking pretty good. Everyone all right?
Yeah.
Okay, Julie, I'm going to take you through to the back. I'm
Okay.
going to show you some bits and pieces.
We need the furniture now.
Owner Julie is surprising her partner Trevor with an Elvis makeover in this 50s semi in Tring, Hertfordshire. His mate's filming him fishing. Now Trevor thinks it's to prove he's caught a whopper before he throws it back.
Look at that beauty. Do you want the net or something?
Back at the house, it's time for a little less conversation and a little more action.
Now, next job here, obviously worktop. Now, the guys have promised me it should take about 5 minutes to do this. Okay, new worktops all the way along here. Oh! yeah. Okay, who's left his knife lying around? Mona? Okay, worktops. There's not much action going on here. Where's me guys with the workbenches? I'm 1 minute, 20 seconds at this makeover, and there's no sign of the worktop guys. I'm going to go outside and find them.
No time for that, Derek. Let's take a look at some of the other furniture he's got for the house.
First things first.
Yes?
Watching this.
Oh, wow. Oh, this is brilliant. It's canvas, is it?
Very impressive. From a company called the
Lovely.
Art Factory.
Yeah?
And what we've got actually permission from Graceland to print Elvis's image.
Yeah.
Okay, so you buy this ready-made, any size you want. Great value, £200 complete.
200 quid?
And it's for the whole wall.
And it's such a piece, isn't it? You know, such a showpiece.
Very impressive.
Fabulous.
Next thing.
What on earth is that, Derek?
Well, this whole makeover was about Elvis Presley through the decades.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got the 50s, 60s, and now 70s.
70s, okay.
Again, a reproduction of a 1970s design, but the thing is, this is half the price of the original. There's a downside to this. It's actually self-assembly.
So how long would it take you to assemble this?
About 60 minutes. Okay, so there's that.
We haven't got time.
Next thing
Okay.
is the 1950s diner.
Oh, this is gorgeous, isn't it?
This is a key part of the design.
And the chairs match your shoes.
Back to the retro colours.
yeah.
This is from a company called Happy Days.
Yeah.
Okay, again, based on traditional 1950s design, the construction's exactly the same as it was
Yes.
then. Good value, you're looking at about £900 complete.
Oh, my eyes are drawn to this. I love Smeg fridges.
Amazing company called Biasco supplied this today, and it comes in all the retro colours. You're looking at the pinks, the blues.
I'd love a pink one.
I bet you would.
It's gorgeous. This is beautiful, isn't it?
But the blue works today with our scheme.
Yeah. Okay, well, let's get back.
Nice things.
Beautiful things.
This is no time to be sitting round, Julie. There's work to be done.
I don't know what's happened to the guys at the worktops. They were there 5 minutes ago. I haven't a clue where they are now. Oh, here they are. Speak the devil here. Okay, pre-cut. Okay, what I've done here, I wanted a metallic effect. Rather than use stainless steel, again, we've used on a few makeovers, just doing it a bit different. From Formica, tops pre-cut, and I'm is that going to fit? Slight problem. I don't think this worktop's going to fit. Guys, why is this not fitting?
Hey, Derek, how's it going? Are you putting new worktops in?
We are, but unfortunately not fitting at the moment.
Oh, really?
Okay, we've got some plugs in the corner which are causing slight problems.
Oh, my goodness, all the pink
Okay,
paint.
they can be touched up. Don't worry too much about it, but just
Oh, look at that.
slight disaster. Okay, now if we just take this out again.
The best laid plans, eh?
Okay, take this down. Okay, bring your end up. Okay, now drop your end down there. Okay, we'll try again.
If at first you don't succeed.
This will work eventually.
Eventually. Okay, we all
Is it
right?
in the right way?
Is this heavy?
Okay, guys, what we're going to do? What's the plan of action here?
We've got a saw on its way. We're going to just
Stop
cut about
fitting it.
centimetre, 2
Pop that in
centimetres
there.
outside.
But you still get this done in time,
No
won't you?
problem at all.
Okay, I'm going to be
It's
back.
amazing what we can do in 30
I'm
minutes.
going to be back in here in 5. You haven't got 30 minutes.
Yeah, I'm talking about the whole picture here.
Yeah, but I want these worktops. I've got blanks put in here.
Just get back to work.
Let's hope everything's the right size in the spare bedroom.
Okay, now.
Okay, lot of thing going on.
Oh, this is a nice headboard, isn't it?
Isn't it fabric? 70s chic?
It's beautiful, yeah.
Isn't it beautiful?
Still not convinced about the black, but I have yet to see the artwork that's going to go up on there.
It's going to be guitar. Big guitar, white guitar in here.
Okay.
It's going to work because you've got the cream bed,
Look at
the
those
white
curtains.
aren't they amazing?
Oh, they're fantastic.
And what I've done, Claire,
And they were specially made, yeah?
specially made, but this fabric's quite expensive. Okay, rather than do the whole
Where'd you get this fabric from?
company called Andrew Martin.
Yeah.
They own the copyright to the Andy Warhol print.
Okay.
Okay, so it's been printed on fabric here. Now, like I was saying, it would cost a lot of money to do wall to wall. So what I've done, I mixed it in with a cheaper fabric.
Oh,
Okay,
I see what you've
for
done.
the edging.
Ah.
Okay, so when these are all dressed in, you're actually only going to get a small section of the curtain
I
anyway.
see.
So again, saves you half the money, but you got double the amount of fabric.
At last, they've trimmed down the worktops and they finally fit.
Okay, back in this room here now, Claire.
Okay, now this is a nice carpet, isn't
It's
it?
beautiful again.
It's really
thick, sharp. We're going to be very careful.
beautiful, yeah.
We're not going to paint, but we're all right. We're not painting here. Just a bit, but you see how thick this is.
It's beautiful.
Your hands go right into
Do you know,
it.
I've got to tell you a little story. I remember getting this in my flat, my first ever flat I had, and I spilled blue paint on it. It wouldn't come out, so I trimmed
Oh,
the
it's-
carpet. I trimmed it and it
did it
literally-
work?
Well, it looked like a map of the moon. It was all craters in the carpet.
Well, that won't be happening today.
No way.
Okay. We're doing all right in here. It looks like not much has been done, but find a piece of wallpaper,
Yeah.
and then we're dressed in the room.
Okay,
Yeah.
10 minutes. Yeah, sure.
Pardon me, yeah. Where's the cover?
Okay, now where are these going, Derek?
Okay, dokie. These are from Green Apple, okay?
Oh, I love
They're
Green
going to
Apple.
go into bedroom 2.
Yes.
And there, so straight through there, lads. We've got 2 of them either side of the bed, plus the big cream leather bed
Yeah.
in the centre. Okay? Again, going back to 1970 chic.
Boys, you've done it. Thank goodness, hey? Just need to touch up with a bit of pink paint now around this area.
What are you doing?
Trying to
Oh,
see it.
look in. You've got plenty to do here. Oh, is that your pussy?
Yeah, yeah.
Very nice pussy. Okay. Right, we need some fillers for these
Yeah,
cushions.
okay.
Oh, that's marvellous.
Do you like them?
Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Now, they're not much good empty, are they?
No.
Okay, get your cushion pads. Are these all stuck down?
Oh, they should be by now, yeah.
Okie doke. Okay, just very gently unzip these back here. And then just slip them in the back. Okie doke.
Okay.
Okay, see you soon.